You are listening to AI with Shailey, where we dive into the latest and greatest in artificial intelligence and robotics, brought to you by yours truly, Shailendra Kumar. Today, let's talk about bipedal robots, those two legged humanoid machines that sometimes remind me of toddlers learning to walk. Recently, at a 2025 event in Beijing, one of these robots took a rather ungraceful spill during a run. Imagine watching a state of the art robot doing a ninja sprint only to crash spectacularly. It's a vivid reminder that despite all the hype, these robots are still quite fragile, especially when delicate parts like cameras are involved. Like us, they stumble before they master balance. Now, here's a twist. A promising startup called K-Scale Labs, barely a year old, had to shut down. Their CEO admitted that their choice of cheaper actuators, the part that moves the robot's limbs, was their Achilles heel. Frequent failures made their humanoids unreliable and unreproducible. It's a tough pill to swallow, but they're turning the page by open sourcing their tech and refunding customers. A noble exit, yet a sharp reminder of how tricky it is to scale these machines economically. On a brighter note, Chinese companies like Unitree and Zhongqing Robotics are sprinting ahead. By developing their own servo motors and harnessing local manufacturing, they've dramatically cut costs while boosting durability. Think of them as the underdogs who found a secret recipe, local sourcing plus smart engineering, to challenge the giants like Boston Dynamics. So, what does all this mean? The path to reliable, affordable bipedal robots isn't clear cut. It's a challenging dance between physical robustness and economic viability. But with fresh players focusing on innovating core mechanics, especially the tiny motors that make these robots move, we're inching toward a future where that toddler like stumble turns into a confident stride. Bonus tip for my fellow AI enthusiasts: when designing or evaluating robotics tech, keep an eye on actuator quality and supply chain localization. These unsung heroes often make or break your robot's real world performance. Here's a thought to leave you with: robots may stumble, but they only fail when they stop trying. What do you think will be the next breakthrough for bipedal robots? Let me know. Don't forget to connect with me on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium at AI with Shaylee. Subscribe for more insights and drop your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing your perspectives. Until next time, this is Shailendra Kumar reminding you that the future walks on two legs. Sometimes it wobbles, but it never gives up.